Watch this video and learn how to draw a really cute turtle.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. I hope you're well. Are you ready to draw a really cute turtle?
Welcome to Artie's show!
Let's start. Let's start by drawing a curved line on the left side of the page. It doesn't look like a turtle yet. It will though. Let's continue that line around a little bit more. Keep going, Artie. Bring it all the way down. Now let's draw a big smile-shaped curve from the end on the left all the way across to the end on the right. That's our turtle's shell. Draw a little half circle on the end.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
Now draw a line from the bottom in the middle up to that half circle. Perfect. Now let's do a little half circle on the left and then come round and join up in the middle again.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Great advice. Okay, let's draw some legs on this turtle. 2 little straight lines coming out from underneath the shell and another 2 at the front. Draw 2 tiny little half circles on the end of those lines and then go straight across and join the whole thing up together.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Let's do the same on the right. That's it. Now they both match. Let's do a cute little tail on the left side. Just 2 simple curves and it's done. A little tail. Let's draw his tummy. Just 4 little curvy shapes. Divide them up with short lines. Perfect.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Right, let's draw this turtle's neck. Draw a straight line up, Artie, and then bend it around at the top. Yes, go on. Bend. That's it. Now start at the bottom again and do another line up. Very good.
Betty, do you know what time it is?
Dance break time! Artie's got the beat.
I adore your shoes. Do you like mine? I got mine on 10.
Did you dance along with Artie?
I still am.
That was a great dance break, guys. Okay, Artie, draw his chin. And now, come around with a big, nice, curvy face. Oh, yes. A little curve on the end of the mouth. Oh, and let's do a nostril. Just a little black dot. Perfect. Should we draw his eye, Artie? Let's draw a nice oval shape inside the head. And now a smaller oval inside the eye, and let's shade that in black. Let's draw an even bigger oval around that eye. And now we'll fill in those gaps we left at the top of the head. Oh yes, this is looking good, Artie. Let's add an eyebrow. Let's do a little eyebrow over the eye. Draw a long triangle and shade it in black.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Draw a curved line along the bottom of the shell. And a similar curved line above that. Now let's draw the pattern on the shell. Let's do a sideways V on the right side. And another sideways V on the left side.
Man, I hope he uses all the colors.
I love color.
2 lines at the bottom. And 4 lines below those. That's it. Wow, Artie, he's looking really good. I think he's finished, isn't he? I mean, I think so. What do you think, Artie? Yes, he came out so good. You did a really good job on this one, Artie. I can't wait to see him coloured. Let's get to colouring. You're finished, Artie? Oh my goodness, he came out so good. I love the way you did his brown shell and his lime green skin. He looks wonderful.
Well, Betty, the show's almost over. I think I'm gonna get out of here early. You wanna come?
Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Well, Betty and Mikey have gone, so I guess we should say goodbye. Thanks for watching, little artists, and we hope you have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye.